I'm gonna let everybody know. Don't fucking buy GoPros.
That he's mad right now.
I'm fucking pissed.
Recording with? Oh, that's not a GoPro.
No.
Damn, I look fucking handsome.
It's sexy, bro. A ver.
You know that's going up on YouTube, right?
Fuck it, wait, hey.
No, not you, him.
Oh.
Hey, there ain't no shame in my game, bro.
So, I made this video right now because I'm trying to sell the LS, right? And Christian right here. Caillou. El pinche Caillou.
I was driving.
Okay, so this guy that's trying to buy my car, he told me, all right, let's send me a video of the car starting and everything, you know, from left to right, bottom, yeah, some rolling shots. And so we set up this fucking GoPro in the front of Christian's truck, and somehow, no, what happened, wait?
It wasn't recording.
It wasn't fucking recording. And I did some fucking Mino pinche donuts, huh, Christian? Christian knows it. Christian saw it.
He did some donuts, but he was controlling the GoPro with his phone. He started recording. It's weird. He started recording. It was cool. Halfway through it stopped recording. Finishes doing the donuts, and then it starts recording again. So we have everything from beginning to end except the middle, which is what matters.
So yeah, whatever, fuck it, you know. I'm gonna let the world know that I don't drift anymore because I don't have proof. It's only gonna
the video or it didn't happen.
Yeah. It's only gonna be in your memory, Christian. Eh?
Because I'm the only one that saw it.
You're the only fucking one that saw it, way. And I got so close to the curve that I was like, fuck, you know, I'm gonna fucking curve the car. Fuck it. But
and a lady that was walking by in a white car.
yeah, and I almost ran over some lady. Nah, I'm just kidding.
You're not kidding.
Ni que fuera Landy.
Lanita.
Whoa.
Hey, why you gotta be a plunger for, bro?
Vaya.
Quit bringing back old shit.
What are you talking about, way? Explain, way. I don't remember, way. What happened?
I don't know nothing. A ver, Caillou.
I don't remember. I don't like to look that far back into my
your
history.
timeline.
Into the timeline.
So what are we doing today?
We're helping out Harvey.
We're oh, this is exclusive shit right here. This is a new CCC 370Z kit right here in the making.
That new?
Yeah, it's the first one.
First kit exclusive right here on Philly Drifts TV.
Oh, dang.
With Caillou and friends.
Oh,
Pretty sick, way. So these are the last parts. You got the rear fenders right here, and then the fronts are over here in the dumpster. So, ¿qué vamos a tragar, güey?
Speedy dogs. Speedy dogs, finally.
Finally?
Yeah, we promised everybody a week ago
that we were gonna go to Speedy Dogs.
Go to Speedy Dogs, but we're finally gonna do it now. Probably because I'm here and you guys wanted me to pay for it.
Yeah, you gotta pay for it, way. Remember you lost?
I missed the sugar toss.
The sugar toss, way. What are you trying to accomplish right here, way? What are you doing, way, exactly?
Well, he's rolling out the bubbles with that little aluminum roller right there.
You're rolling?
Yeah, you gotta roll out all the little bubbles, all the little air bubbles inside.
Ooh.
You gotta roll them out so you can get a good solid piece.
The surface finish.
Yeah.
Oh, I get it. So those are all bubbles.
Those air bubbles right
Now look
there.
at this one.
Oh.
There's still some in it.
I can still see some way.
Yeah, there's still some in it, but that's what I'm trying to get out.
Cool.
It's painstaking.
So, trying to make these for Mr. Sideways Sean.
The homie Sideways Sean?
The homie Sideways Sean, since he's getting the first kit. And then
exclusive for him.
After that, we're gonna send them out for mass production, baby.
Ooh.
This is only for test fit.
All right, so if everything goes good, this car should be gone in the next week or two. So I made a video all around the car, and I'm gonna send it to the guy. I'll probably post it up here so you guys can watch it too, just in case he doesn't buy it. At least I have a video showing the whole car all around and everything, driving, some rolling shots. So yeah, hopefully she sells quick so I can start working on my my baby. She's right there. Well, both of those cars, the little off-road side by side and my baby. She's been here for a couple months already. So yeah, that's why I'm trying to sell that LS car soon. Trying to get her back on the track. And this one back in the desert. This one a few months back, right when I bought it, I went up. I was climbing this hill mountain. It was pretty steep. I was trying to reach the top, and like halfway I fucking got stuck, and then I was trying to come out, and I burnt the clutch right there and then. So ever since then I haven't taken this baby out. So yeah, but first I need to fix my baby. I took off a lot of parts, and I can't move it until I fix her, and then we'll fix this one, and we're gonna go to the desert pretty soon. So yeah, somebody buy my car.
Entonces we're gonna go looking for Speedy dogs right now, or what?
Ya mero, okay?
Ya mero.
I'm kinda hungry, bro.
Me too, bro.
Christian, púrale, güey.
Actually, I ate L&L Hawaiian barbecue about
You did, we didn't.
2 hours ago.
Che, vato
That shit
culero.
was pretty dank.
You did, we didn't.
I asked Philly, he's like, I already ate, bro. I wake up early.
I ate fucking McDonald's, way.
I ate Dukes.
Dookie?
Dookie? You had Dookie, way? For breakfast?
Breakfast, fool!
Nasty bitch.
I make Dukes in the morning.
Toast from Dukes.
I can save you one for breakfast, way, tomorrow.
No, I'm straight, thank you.
Pinche.
I can make a mean fucking sushi roll.
I can make you a cake, way. I can make you a big chocolate cake.
A big fudge platter.
I fucking don't even want Speedy dogs anymore.
Ah, Christian, wait. Wait,
You're making me lose my appetite.
once we get there, wait, te vas a tragar pinche toda la lonchera. You're gonna make that fool's night.
I'm gonna have him pack up and go home after we're done there.
You think he's gonna give us a discount for realizing that he wasn't there when it was raining?
I don't know. Well, we're
After he said rain or shine?
gonna tell him, way.
He did say rain.
He did say rain or shine, huh? You saw the video, huh?
Yeah,
But you saw the video.
I'm a fan.
You're a fan, way?
I'm a fan.
Okay, way.
And Rolling Heights way.
What? You found a shop?
Rolling.
But it's kind of the same size as Rolling BP. Oh,
Mm.
it's little. Yeah.
Hey, wait, so who's driving?
I'm driving.
You're driving?
Yeah,
The truck?
He has a bunch of stuff in his car.
I mean, I'd drive, way, but you guys don't fit. Unless you
Oh,
wanna
that's right. You have a Beamer.
No, I don't.
Hey, dude.
My girl left.
What?
Yeah. I mean, we can go on the Z-way. Unless,
No, I'll drive.
Alright, fuck it. Let's go. Let me just grab...
Now you can lap it.
Let me just... Let me just grab a sweater. Way.
Yeah.
Fuck, he's not there anymore. Or he didn't show up today.
Okay. Alright.
Well, shit, there's a sign right there, you know. It says hot dogs, Speedy dogs, we moved.
For 99 cents.
Front of the 99 cent store. Where's the 99 cent store? Oh, it's over there, way.
Oh, sorry. I was
So he's not there, way, or what?
I'm looking right at him. He's over there.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm looking at the light flash right now.
Oh, yeah? There it is, guys.
Oh,
this is
okay.
why we
Yeah,
didn't
yeah.
find them last time. Chiquis, way.
Man. People. What does everybody say go now?
Al R?
Oh well, whatever.
You know, bust a bitch.
Yeah, it'd be best if I went to today. If I can go see him today, it would be better.
Fuck! Pizza kicked in.
But I don't know if he's still at the hospital or what.
Come on. I can see the light. He's over there. All the way right here where my finger is. See that light?
See it. The stroke?
The stroke? Che, vato. I wonder why he moved. They probably kicked him out, no?
El día que empezó a llover tarde.
Yeah.
Ya, ese día. Yo me fui como a las 11, yo creo. ¿Cómo que pasó? No.
Nah. Pasamos
Sí,
más
no,
temprano.
Sí, no, güey.
No, pasamos como a las 10.
No, todavía estaba. ¿Cuándo empezó?
Pero ya estaba aquí.
Sí, cuando
Ah,
empezó
nah,
a
pues
llover,
güey, no lo vimos, güey.
No.
Y nos fuimos derecho.
Ya, nos fuimos derecho, nos vuelta. Ahorita miró el de este.
Ahorita
Ya,
no, lo miré yo desde la tarde que pasé. Lo miré y le dije, hey, güey, ya se movió.
Pero ya habían venido antes.
Sí, ya habíamos venido antes,
¿Y
pero
no
no lo
estaba?
habíamos, no estaba.
Ah, no quería. Una otra hawaiana, por favor.
A mí deme 3 hamburguesas y me voy a comer 2 de las que no me comí el jueves.
Lo bueno que no traje dinero.
Ni yo, güey. Nah, pero ya nos conoce, güey, ya fía, güey.
No, güey, ¿sabes qué? Traigo 20, güey.
Yo traigo 20, güey.
¿Oh, ya?
I got 20. Ah, no, güey. I got 20.
We got 20 something.
20 some.
I got a lighter.
And there's some small one to top it off.
No comas tanto, güey, para que puedas correr ahorita, güey.
No, güey, yo vuelo.
¿Selfie or what? Dos.
Con todo.
Dos con todo.
Sí, la otra se pilla y se...
Ay, pinche Christian, muérdela acá, güey. Christian. Get your ass over here, güey.
¿Qué pinche cayó? ¿Te rajas?
¿Te rajas o qué? Hey, güey. Eat it in 20 seconds, güey. That's the new challenge, güey. You gotta eat it, güey, in one bite, güey.
Don't tempt me.
One bite, güey.
Ah, that's easy, way. I've seen you dip through an 8-incher, and that's nothing.
The Dodger dogs?
Yeah, Dodger dogs.
Y el mío también, güey. A ver, Chris.
Alright, can I eat?
Ay, Christian, güey. Chris. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Every time you take a bite, this is what happens. Déjale enseño a mis fans cómo las hace. Dang. Dang. Hey, wait. Slowly, Christian.
Oh, I got a burger coming up.
You got a burger? I got a burger coming up too. Ya mero, mira.
Más actualizado así.
Ahí está, Jarebi. ¿Es la mía? Oh. Mira. Check out that tongue.
That's kind of gross. Damn. That's a heart attack. Heart attack burger.
What? Check out the cherry on top, wait.
You just got jalapeno slap.
I like chili.
¿Le muerdo?
Muérdalo, güey.
I like chile. ¿El vicio? El vicio está cabrón.
Oh. Oh.
Bye bye. The whole thing, wait?
Yeah, the whole thing.
Or slowly? You want it fast or slow?
No, I want you to put the whole thing in your mouth and then bite all the way at the end and eat the whole thing. But you gotta chew it.
I gotta chew it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. No, you gotta chew the whole thing, way.
No way. I like to enjoy it, way.
No, there's more over there.
It hurts, you know.
It hurts me.
She's bomb. She looks fucking bomb, way. A ver. So what does this Hawaiian consist of, way?
A bunch of goodness.
Bunch of goodness?
This is all goodness. Grilled onions, pineapple, cheese,
Weenie,
oh yeah, buns, sausage,
bell peppers.
bell peppers.
Is that like,
cheese?
I almost touched it.
Cheese, and then it's not, oh, what's it called? It's not Thousand Island, it's not
Chipotle.
Chipotle, there you go.
Ooh. Ay, pinche Cristian, güey. Ah, yeah, güey. Yeah, güey. That's good, güey. That's good. That's good.
I don't even know it.
Wait, what? Wait, what?
Le voy a adivinar el nombre de su primera novia a este güey.
How?
Préstame un billete, güey.
A ver, I need to see this. Que me lo rompa, güey. Con ese voy a pagar, güey.
Oh shit, no es por el otro lado. Dame la mano, güey. Ahora sacúdelo, güey. Manuela.
Sí, güey. Che, vato. Che, vato.
Bro, into it,
I'm enjoying my burger, güey. Déjenme en paz.
Yeah, nothing else better to do.
Che, Harvey.